coronavirus, as we know, the whole world is in the grip of this concern. And I just want to give a brief background. What has happened, what is happening now, and what do we expect in the future? And should we be really afraid about it? Or should we look at it in a way where we are going to learn a lot of lessons, manage it, and how the future will change? After nearly 2.5 months or so, with effective measures taken by China, lockdown, millions of people confined, both China and Hong Kong now are becoming literally coronavirus free. When it comes to the world, we know in Europe, particularly Italy, and now rest of Europe including Spain, it is increasing rapidly. It is going into a different phase, and in US also the number of cases have increased significantly, which has created major concern, and the WHO has called it a pandemic. And the WHO actually has said India has taken a lot of good measures. And quite possible we will not see the huge numbers as we are seeing in China or in the Western world. But we will know the answer only in the next few weeks. But I think we should compliment the government, health authorities, private institutions which have taken very active measures. They have actually cut off all the international travelers and taken very effective measures locally, maybe sometimes overdone, but with a good reason. It does not really cause fatality in youngsters to a great extent. Youngsters could be carriers. So what we have to really look after is the elderly people over 60 who are vulnerable, who have lung disease, diabetes, or even smokers. What does coronavirus cause in these people? It causes what we call as lung damage or fibrosis of the lung. So they go into severe fibrosis of the lung and they have to go on a ventilator, and some people don't recover from on the ventilator because the fibrosis is so severe. Only 1% of the population who are affected by this virus really die. Yes, we should be concerned. We should take some precautions, but in my view, we don't have to necessarily change the lifestyle completely. Spacing is becoming very important. How do you space? Not to mix with people who have come from abroad or who have had people contact with whom who have already contacted people from abroad. That containment is important. Third, hand washing is very important. We all know, particularly when we wash with soap, 30 seconds, the virus will pretty much die. The other areas is if somebody has cough and cold, to stay away from others is a good idea. But just because having a cough and cold, as explained, doesn't mean you have coronavirus. The chances of you having coronavirus is very small. So please do not panic because of that. There are certain signs and symptoms. If you're concerned, your doctor can tell you what are the major issues to be concerned. Few of the things I can say here is runny nose, having respiratory symptom, what we call as postnasal drip going into the lung and causing respiratory symptoms, fever, could all be some of the few symptoms. But there are a lot of preventive measures people have advised. Some of them are obviously, if you feel you are exposed, to be in quarantine, which we all know can be done. In future, it could be positive for all of us because our habits will change. We will become more hygienic. We will pay more attention to cleanliness, and maybe our cities will become more clean. maybe more pure water supply will happen. The government and the health authorities, even the private people, will spend more on preventive health. People will take health insurance and lead a very, what we call as a full life, and also pay attention to wellness programs. With this, it is quite possible even common cold, bacterial infections will become less as we go forward, which could be great positive news for the community as large as well as to the nation. I hope with this coronavirus changing the world economy, having a major economic impact on the stock markets, the governments like Indian government also will learn a lesson and understand it is important to spend a lot more to the healthcare and education. So in future we look at a more healthy society, and lessons learned from this hopefully will be put to use in a positive way. Thank you very much.